Have you ever considered that something as simple as a pinch of salt could support your weight loss journey? The pink salt trick has been making waves online for its potential health benefits, including boosting metabolism, improving hydration, and promoting overall wellness. But is there real science behind this trend? Or is it just another health fad? Himalayan pink salt is more than just a pretty addition to your spice rack. It's naturally rich in over 80 trace minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals are essential for maintaining proper electrolyte balance in the body. Electrolytes help regulate nerve function, muscle contractions, pH levels, and hydration. When your electrolytes are in balance, your body can function more efficiently. That includes digestion, metabolism, and energy production, all key components of a healthy weight loss strategy. So how does this help with weight loss? While pink salt doesn't burn fat directly, it supports the foundational systems that help your body run optimally. Proper hydration enhances nutrient transport, keeps your metabolism steady, and helps your body flush out waste more effectively. Staying well hydrated also helps curb unnecessary snacking, as thirst is often mistaken for hunger. The minerals in pink salt may also help reduce bloating and water retention, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. When combined with a nutrient-rich diet and regular physical activity, using pink salt in your daily routine can promote better digestion. It can improve how your body absorbs vitamins and minerals from food. It's these subtle internal improvements that can lead to more noticeable results over time. How to make the pink salt drink. Start with a glass of warm, filtered water, about 8 to 12 ounces. Add 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground Himalayan pink salt and stir until fully dissolved. For added benefits and taste, squeeze in about 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice not only enhances flavor, but also provides a dose of vitamin C. It supports liver detoxification. If you like, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey for a natural source of antioxidants and a gentle energy boost. Best time to drink it? Drink it slowly on an empty stomach, ideally first thing in the morning. This helps your body absorb the minerals more efficiently and kickstarts your hydration for the day. You may notice increased energy, reduced cravings, and a clearer mind, especially if you're transitioning away from sugary morning beverages. Let's talk about the added benefits. In addition to hydration, this drink supports adrenal function. The adrenal glands play a vital role in regulating stress hormones, especially cortisol. Chronic stress and elevated cortisol levels can lead to weight gain. The minerals in pink salt help nourish your adrenal glands, potentially aiding in stress management. Moreover, daily rituals like this one can set the tone for healthier choices throughout the day. When you start your morning with an intentional wellness habit, you're more likely to follow through with a healthy breakfast, stay hydrated, and make mindful decisions later on. Of course, the pink salt trick isn't a magic bullet for weight loss. It won't replace the need for exercise, sleep, or a balanced diet. However, as part of a holistic lifestyle, it can be a simple, affordable, and effective way to support your overall well-being. Consistency is everything. Incorporating small but meaningful habits, like the pink salt drink, can lead to long-term improvements in health and weight. Everyone's body responds differently, so give it a try and see how it works for you. Have you ever thought that something as simple as a pinch of salt could support your weight loss goals? It might sound too good to be true, but the pink salt trick has gone viral for a reason. Many people are discovering that adding Himalayan pink salt to their morning routine may have benefits beyond flavor, especially when it comes to hydration, energy, digestion, and even managing cravings. But how does this work, and is it backed by science? Himalayan pink salt comes from ancient sea salt beds in the Himalayan mountains. Unlike heavily processed table salt, pink salt is unrefined and contains over 80 trace minerals. These include potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, and zinc. These minerals give the salt its signature pink color and, more importantly, contribute to its health-enhancing properties. Here's why these minerals matter. Magnesium helps reduce fatigue, supports muscle function, and promotes restful sleep, all important for weight management. Potassium supports heart health and muscle recovery. Calcium plays a key role in bone health and nerve function. Together, these minerals help maintain a proper electrolyte balance, which is vital for hydration, digestion, and energy production. So, where does weight loss come into play? While pink salt won't directly burn fat, it supports systems that make weight loss easier and more sustainable. Better hydration boosts metabolism, reduces water retention, and controls appetite. Electrolyte-rich hydration may reduce muscle cramps and fatigue during workouts, helping you stay consistent with physical activity. Some find starting their day with this drink reduces bloating and improves bowel regularity. Making the pink salt drink is simple. Start with 8 to 12 ounces of warm, filtered water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground Himalayan pink salt. Stir until fully dissolved. Optional, add lemon juice or honey for taste and benefits. Drink it slowly on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning. This primes your digestive system, hydrates you after sleep, and may reduce mid-morning cravings. You might feel refreshed and alert after a few days of this ritual. The minerals in pink salt support adrenal glands, responsible for producing stress hormones like cortisol. A nourished, well-hydrated body is more resilient to stress and inflammation, which play roles in weight gain and fatigue. Better digestion means your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently, contributing to higher energy levels and fewer cravings. Adding the pink salt drink to your routine is also a mindset shift, encouraging healthier choices. Instead of grabbing coffee and a sugary snack first thing, you're hydrating your body, supporting digestion, and giving yourself a moment of calm and clarity that can change your outlook, energy, and productivity. Important note, this drink should be part of a larger healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for good nutrition or exercise. Consult your healthcare provider if you have high blood pressure or are on a sodium-restricted diet. The pink salt trick isn't a miracle cure, but it's a powerful and easy habit that may help support your weight loss and wellness journey. Over time, it can contribute to better hydration, improved digestion, and balanced energy. If you've tried the pink salt trick, share your experience in the comments. If curious, try it for a week and observe how your body responds. You might find small habits make the biggest difference. Let's talk results and expectations. Hydrating cells, supporting your nervous system, promoting detox pathways, and reducing internal stress are necessary steps often overlooked in modern weight loss approaches. Many who feel tired or sluggish might be undermineralized. Your body signals what it needs, and unmet needs can lead to increased cravings, mood swings, and energy dips. Addressing imbalances with mineral-rich hydration is often the first step toward regaining control of appetite and energy. Tips to maximize the pink salt trick: use high-quality salt. Choose pure, additive-free Himalayan pink salt from a reputable brand. Avoid versions with anti-caking agents or refined additives. Be consistent. The benefits of this drink build over time. Give your body at least 7 to 14 days of consistent use to start noticing subtle improvements like reduced bloating, better digestion, and improved morning energy. Pair it with a mindful morning routine. Drink your pink salt water first thing, then wait 15 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. Use that time for light movement, meditation, journaling, or stretching to reinforce caring for your body. Watch for signs of improvement. Some people notice clearer skin, fewer cravings, or more regular bowel movements. Others feel more focused and less foggy in the morning. Listen to your body. It will tell you if something's working. Don't overdo the salt. More salt doesn't mean more benefits. Stick to 1/4 teaspoon unless otherwise advised by a health professional. Excess salt can throw off your electrolyte balance and make you feel worse, not better. Stay hydrated throughout the day. This drink is a great start, but it's not a replacement for your daily water intake. Make sure you're drinking enough plain water throughout the day, especially if you're active or in a hot climate. Let's also address a common myth. Some people worry that salt causes water retention or raises blood pressure. While this can be true with excessive processed salt from junk food, natural Himalayan pink salt actually helps regulate fluid balance in the body. In fact, mineral-rich salt can help reduce bloating by improving cellular hydration and supporting kidney function. When your body is properly nourished and hydrated, it doesn't need to hold on to excess water. Who might benefit most from the pink salt trick? People who feel tired or foggy in the morning, those who wake up dehydrated or with a dry mouth, individuals dealing with mild bloating or irregular digestion, athletes or active people who need better recovery, anyone looking to build a healthy, intentional morning ritual. Always check with your healthcare provider if you have kidney issues or are on a low-sodium diet. Still wondering if it's worth trying? The beauty of the pink salt trick is its simplicity. It doesn't require a major lifestyle overhaul or expensive supplements. It's a low-cost, low-effort way to give your body a boost each morning. Even if the changes you experience feel small at first, they lay the groundwork for bigger shifts in energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Let's address a few frequently asked questions. 1. Can I use regular table salt instead of Himalayan pink salt? No. Table salt is heavily processed and stripped of natural minerals. It usually contains anti-caking agents and sometimes even added sugar. Himalayan pink salt, on the other hand, is unrefined and naturally rich in trace minerals. These minerals are the reason it offers potential health benefits, not just the sodium content. 2. Will this drink raise my blood pressure? In healthy individuals, moderate use of natural mineral salts like pink salt typically won't raise blood pressure. Refined table salt is more likely to be harmful. If you have high blood pressure or are on a sodium-restricted diet, always consult your doctor before trying this or any salt-based remedy. 3. What if I don't notice any changes? Every body is different. Some people feel more energized and less bloated within a few days, while others may take longer to notice benefits. The key is to observe subtle changes and consider how it fits into your overall lifestyle. If you're already eating well and staying hydrated, the effects might be more maintenance-based than dramatic. And that's okay. True wellness isn't about overnight fixes. 4. Can I drink it more than once a day? It's best to start with once a day in the morning. If you're doing intense workouts, sweating a lot, or on a low-carb or keto diet, a second glass later in the day might be helpful. Just listen to your body and watch for signs like excessive thirst or swelling, which could mean you're getting too much. 5. Can I add other ingredients for extra benefits? Absolutely. Some people add apple cider vinegar for gut health, turmeric for inflammation, or a pinch of cayenne pepper for metabolism support. Just make sure you introduce new ingredients gradually to see how your body responds. Let's shift gears and talk long-term success. The real power of the pink salt trick comes when it becomes part of a larger routine that supports your physical and emotional well-being. You're not just drinking salted water. You're starting your day with intention. This builds discipline, self-awareness, and a sense of momentum. Over time, that morning decision to care for yourself leads to other smart choices throughout the day. Healthier meals, better hydration, more movement, and improved sleep. This is how real change happens, through consistency, not perfection. You don't have to do everything right all the time. You just have to keep showing up for yourself in small, meaningful ways. And a simple glass of pink salt water is one of the easiest and most grounding ways to do that. Try keeping a journal for a week. Write down how you feel after drinking it each morning. Are you less bloated? More energized? Fewer cravings? More regular digestion? Sometimes the progress is clearer when you track it. You may discover that this one small habit starts to shift your entire morning routine and your mindset. In closing, here's what we want you to remember. The pink salt trick supports your body's natural processes. It's not a weight loss miracle, but a wellness enhancer. Proper hydration and mineral balance are the foundation of good health. Small habits, practiced consistently, create the biggest transformation over time. If you're ready to give it a try, we encourage you to start tomorrow. One glass, one morning, one decision to put your health first. Now, let's dive into how this fits into a modern, fast-paced lifestyle. Many people skip breakfast, rely on coffee to wake up, and then crash mid-morning. If that sounds familiar, the pink salt trick could be the small, strategic shift that brings balance back to your routine. It hydrates your cells, wakes up your digestive system, and gives your adrenals a break from that immediate caffeine hit. In fact, many people who start their day with a salt drink report needing less caffeine and having more stable energy throughout the morning. Here's how to stack the pink salt trick with other habits for even better results. After drinking your pink salt water, wait 20 to 30 minutes before eating or drinking anything else. Use that time for a short walk, stretching, or breath work to stimulate circulation and digestion. Follow it with a clean, protein-rich breakfast to stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. Limit processed carbs in the morning, which can spike insulin and lead to energy crashes. Get some early sunlight to sync your circadian rhythm. It boosts mood and metabolism. By combining the salt drink with other healthy behaviors, you create a morning momentum that sets the tone for the rest of your day. But what if you stop drinking it? Will you lose the benefits? Not necessarily, but like any health habit, consistency is key. Think of it as charging your wellness battery. If you stop, your body may revert to old patterns of fatigue, poor hydration, or cravings. The best results come when you stick with it for weeks or months, making it part of your identity, not just a temporary fix. That's the real power of small habits. They become part of who you are. A few potential pitfalls to watch out for: using too much salt. More isn't better. Stick with the recommended 1/4 teaspoon, or less if you're just starting out. Not using filtered water. Tap water may contain chlorine, fluoride, or other contaminants that interfere with mineral absorption. Skipping the drink when you're most dehydrated. Make it a non-negotiable part of your morning, even if you're in a rush. Expecting instant results. Give your body time. Many benefits happen subtly, over weeks, not overnight. Let's explore how this one habit can ripple into bigger transformations. When people first try the pink salt trick, they're usually just looking for a boost, more energy, better digestion, or a way to curb cravings. But what often happens is something deeper. They begin tuning into their body. They become more intentional about their choices, more aware of how foods make them feel, and more motivated to take better care of themselves. It's not just about the salt. It's about the signal you send to yourself each morning. I'm prioritizing my health. The mindset shift from punishment to nourishment. Too many people approach weight loss or health from a place of restriction, cutting, skipping, or punishing themselves for not being disciplined. But this simple morning drink flips that idea. It's about giving your body something it needs, supporting rather than depriving. That shift in mindset is incredibly powerful, and it can be the difference between short-term effort and long-term success. Instead of asking, "What should I cut out?" try asking, "What can I add that supports me?" Start with water, minerals, and intention, then build from there. Want to take it one step further? Try this mini morning ritual. Set your intention as you prepare your drink. Say it out loud or write it down. Something simple like, "I'm taking care of my body today." Drink slowly and pay attention to how your body responds. Move your body gently, 5 minutes of stretching or walking. Breathe deeply. 3 deep breaths can shift your whole nervous system. Reflect. What's one thing you're grateful for today? These practices might seem small, but stacked together, they reinforce the identity of someone who values their health.